Everyone is having fun in their life. Someone is doing what they love to do. Someone is traveling to their dream place. But what am I doing? You might have felt the same, right? जब आप अपने सोशल मीडिया पे अपने फ्रेंड्स को खुद से ज्यादा मजे करते देखते हो, या जब आप अपने आसपास के लोगों को खुद से ज्यादा अचीव करते देखते हो, एंड आपको लगता है कि why am I not doing anything like them? Why am I doing just normal things while others are achieving so much in their life? And now you are here feeling left out. Then you are dealing with FOMO, the fear of missing out. And let me tell you that you are not the only one. Even I sometimes deal with it, and I've learned a few steps that will help you to overcome FOMO. Number one is having a clarity in life. Have you ever thought कि हमें दूसरों को देखकर ये jealousy और sadness होती क्यों है? Because we don't have a clarity for our own life. We don't know what to do or what we want to do because we are so busy in watching others enjoying their life. So you really have to make a list of the things you want to do or you want to accomplish and take actions, okay? I'm not telling you to just write and forget about all the things on the next day. Because when you set some clear goals for yourself and take actions, you are less likely to compare yourself with others because now you know what you need to do with your life. And this leads us to the second step: stop comparing yourself. Listen, comparing yourself with others is not always a bad thing. If you are comparing yourself and it helps you to learn from others or maybe motivates you to do better, then it's for your own good. It won't harm you, right? But when you compare yourself and you feel sad or jealous or you are not as good as they are, then you should stop comparing yourself with others. And remember that everyone has their own life and their own paths. Maybe you don't know about what they are actually going through because we can only see the one side story, right? So if that's the case, then please stop comparing yourself to others. Number 3 is stay in present. It's really important to enjoy the moment you are in and be present in that moment. Don't worry about what others are doing because maybe you have something better than them, but you don't know about it yet. So stop worrying and enjoy what you are doing in the current moment because that's what matters the most. And the last one, practice gratitude. I always say in my videos that you should practice gratitude because there's a reason behind it. When you are thankful and express gratitude for what you have right now, you'll realize about every single small thing that you have with yourself. This could be anything, like for me, I am really grateful for all the love and support I'm receiving from everyone. And I'm really grateful for all the opportunities and strength that God has given to me and many more things like this, which I am forever grateful for. And sometimes I was like, I literally have so much in my life right now to be grateful for. So, by expressing gratitude, you can shift your focus from what you are missing to what you have. So, at the end of this video, I want to say that stop focusing on others' life instead of focusing on your own self because nobody is going to stand for you as you can. And you still have so much in your life that you've never realized. So be grateful for it and enjoy your own path, and your FOMO would be completely gone. So please implement these tips in your life and tell me if you have any other tips in the comment section. So that's all for this video. Do share this video with your friends who are dealing with FOMO and help them to overcome this issue. Also subscribe to my channel for more such content like this and check out all of my social media links in the description box, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep improving.